Hello, welcome to the login node. This is Will. Today, we'll cover the basic module system on HPC. On HPC, you can simply install software with sudo apt-get or sudo dnf. Unfortunately, this is not your private machine, but a shared resource among researchers and scientists in your organization. Therefore, in the HPC world, we use a different approach to manage software. Let's look into how we can use the tool we need for our research. The most popular way to manage software is a module system. This tool allows everyone to use their software without stepping on other people's toes. Another benefit is reproducibility. In many cases, you want to keep your software version constant to get consistent results. If a system update changes your environment unexpectedly, you won't be happy. So, let's learn how to use this convenient tool. First, log into your cluster. As we learned in the previous lesson, use SSH, username, add hostname. Cool. Now you may want to see what software is available. Type module avail. You'll see an output similar to this. Depending on your HP system, the available software and versions will vary. Now, we know what's available. Let's see if we can use them. In this example, I'll load OpenMPI version 4.1.8. It is crucial to know which version you are using. If you mix up versions, you might face some unexpected errors. So, be careful when you're switching environments. Type module load OpenMPI slash 4.1.8. Hmm, is this really loaded? Let's find out. Type module list. If you see an output similar to this, your module is successfully loaded. Oh wait, did I load GCC module? Why is this showing in this output? In fact, the module system automatically loads all other modules required to run a software. It sounds convenient, doesn't it? Now, let's verify if we loaded the correct software. For OpenMPI, we can try MPI run dash dash version. Different software has different ways to verify the version, so make sure to use the right command. Can you see the version number? It matches what I loaded. Great. A quick note, you are on a login node right now. We'll cover this later, but please don't run heavy applications or heavy tasks here. Checking the version like this is fine, but for heavy tasks, we need a compute node. Finally, let's learn two more commands, module unload and module purge. We learned how to load, so why don't we learn how to unload? Here, I have prepared a session with several different modules. I'll try to remove the Python module from my stack. Type module unload Python. Let's check with module list. The Python module is gone now. What if you want to unload everything at once? You can use module purge. After this command, you'll see that no modules are loaded anymore. Alright, you've just mastered the basics of modules. Play with this on your HPC cluster and see what you can do. We'll learn how to run your actual computational task in the next video. Thank you. See you next time.